Hi everyone, we just went ahead and got a new car cover for that vehicle right there. It's a Infiniti G37 coupe, but this cover didn't hold up too well, so we'll see how this one holds up. Alright, we're gonna unbox it right now. So this is how the box is. Yeah, but anyways, you know how to open up a box, but we haven't pulled it out yet. It says Infiniti on it. This is the factory OEM G37 Infiniti cover.
Fancy.
I'll add the part number below the video, so just click down there. But I'm hoping this lasts much longer. We've only had that cover for about 4 months. Yeah, so it says Infiniti. How's the quality? How does it feel? Feels good. It feels like leather almost. It feels like the factory BMW cover as well. Feels good. Hopefully it's pretty waterproof and lasts longer. I don't know if there's straps for it.
Well, here.
Here, why don't we put it on the car? Yeah. Oh, more stuff. Ah, storage bag. Oh, it says Infiniti too. Fancy. What else? And maybe warranty info?
Instructions, maybe?
Instructions on how to use it.
How to
Oh,
use
there
it.
is.
Installation instructions.
Right.
I'm curious what they say about how to install a car cover.
I think you have to start from the top or the front. Oh, this has mirror pockets, it looks like.
Okay.
Yeah. So the first thing that ripped on that cover was the mirrors. There's no mirror, but no mirror pockets on that cover. It's just a universal cover. But we will see if this fits. We just went ahead and wiped down the whole car. We don't want to get the car cover dirty. We don't want trapping in dirt on the car, between the car cover and the car. So went ahead and wiped it all down. So it's pretty clean. I just used quick detailer, Meguiar's quick detailer. But it should be good enough to put the cover on. Let's try it. All right, this is the car cover. Go ahead and take it out. And I think I should read the instructions for the first time. It's right here. Just read the instructions really fast. I don't want to tell you guys to install it the incorrect way. Vehicle cover must be installed properly and completely. Do not use vehicle with the cover installed. So make sure you don't drive with the cover on your car, okay? Wash cover on vehicle with mild soap. Allow sufficient time for cover to air dry completely before storing it. Do not use bleach on it. Tools required, no tools. So maybe the top of the car or the rear of the car, and roll it all the way to the front of the car first. So number one. Number two is, it looks like the mirrors.
Yeah.
You do the mirrors, and then number three, you pull the front bumper, and then 4 should be the rear bumper, right? And they don't have a 4 on there. Are we missing something?
I noticed on the inside when we pulled it out of the box that it has, on the inside it says front.
Okay.
So maybe it says which end is supposed to be on the front and which end is supposed to be on the rear.
It does. It says the logo. The Infiniti logo is up front. So right now it's completely backwards. Like here, flip and roll it.
Front. See, it says front.
We'll open it all up. We'll open it on the car so it doesn't get dirty on the ground. Mirror pocket. This is the front. You see the tag says front. That means it goes to the front of the car. Alright. So let's go ahead. There. Mirror. That mirror is on already. So the first time is probably the most difficult once you have it laid out correctly. That's not good. Are the mirrors different on the on the coupe or convertible in the coupe? It should be the same. Let's go ahead and put this mirror pocket over it. Maybe this stretches differently. And then onto the side. How much do you think this stretches? Is there a way to put your mirrors in?
No, they don't go in.
They have to bend in.
They don't go in.
They bend in. They do bend in. All right. So these fold in. Let's try it with the mirrors folded in.
Oh, I guess they do. I've never done that before.
Still not fitting. Maybe we just need to break it in and...
Don't break the mirror.
So we were able to install the cover. The mirrors are a pretty tight fit. I think it just needs to sit in the heat for a couple days and then it'll stretch out. It'll be better fitting. So it's kind of wrinkled right now. Just came right back out of the box. But there you have it. And we had the G37S with that spoiler on her. The license plate doesn't line up correctly. It's higher. But so this is the G37 convertible cover. And you can see the body lines on it are kind of different. But it fits. All right, well, thanks for watching. I just looked up the part numbers for the mirrors, and the mirrors are different for convertible versus coupe. So maybe that's where the issue is. Maybe the coupe version is slightly longer. It sticks out further, but it's really tight right here. So I'm afraid this cover is gonna rip. It's being stretched so much. So it's, you can see there's a lot of tension right here. Same on the other side. So I'm not sure if we should turn it or just go with it. So it does fit, but it's difficult to remove and take off the cover. It's up to you if you want to give it a shot or not, but I don't know. I don't know if we're going to keep it. I'll let my wife decide. It's her car.